Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the EveryPlate mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a useful tool for managing meal kits and meal planning. The EveryPlate app is available on iOS and Android and lets users browse weekly meal options, customize their orders, and manage delivery schedules. It provides simple, easy-to-follow recipe instructions designed for quick and affordable home cooking. The app also allows users to pause or skip deliveries, update addresses, and track orders. One major advantage of EveryPlate is its focus on affordability, offering some of the lowest prices in the meal kit market. The app's interface is straightforward and easy to navigate for most users. However, there are several downsides. The recipe variety is more limited compared to other meal kit services, which may not satisfy users looking for more diverse or specialized meal options. Some users report that the app can be slow to load, and occasional glitches like delayed updates or syncing issues disrupt the ordering process. Customer support through the app can be difficult to reach and slow to respond. Additionally, while the cost is low, some users feel the portion sizes are smaller than expected, which may not suit larger appetites. Overall, EveryPlate is a solid choice for budget-conscious users who want simple meal kits but be aware of its limited meal variety and occasional app performance issues. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.